Okay, hello, good day everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dede Syarif Hidayat and I'm from Institut Teknologi Bandung. I want to present my journal with the title of Improving Operational Cost Planning, Study Case CV Anahel. Okay, we will discuss about the introduction, the theoretical foundation, the methodology, the data analysis, and conclusion and recommendation. Next, the first page is introduction. As you can see on the screen, Indonesia's quarterly GDP forecast from mining industries from trading economics is considerably increasing. And the background for this research is Indonesia's mining GDP is projected to increase in the next few quarters. Then increase in GDP production must be in line with the readiness of mining companies. Then one of business aspect that must be prepared is operational cost planning. Then the author wants to research a mining company, specifically the operational cost planning. And last but not least, the author want to research CV Anahel, a mining company in Cirebon. Okay, the problem statement is CV Anahel has two products, which are truss and limestone. The company has the problems with their operational cost planning. Number one is they don't have a proper operational cost calculation method. And the second one is their forecasts are inaccurate. Their operating cost projection may be over or underestimated. Okay, the research question is what is the root cause of the forecasting error of operational cost planning in CV Anahel? And what is the most appropriate forecasting method of operational cost for CV Anahel? And the last one is what is the most appropriate operational cost planning for CV Anahel? The research objective are to determine the root cause of the forecasting error of operational cost planning in CV Anahel. The second one is to determine the most appropriate forecasting method of operational cost for CV Anahel. And last but not least is to determine the most appropriate operational cost planning for CV Anahel. Okay, scope and limitation for this research is the research is carried out in a private company in Cirebon, CV Anahel, and the second one is the focus of the research is on studying the operational cost planning of CV Anahel. And last but not least is the research use historical data from 2019 to 2021. Okay, we move into theoretical foundation. The first one is operational cost planning. The goals is to plan the activities carried out by the company in achieving the company's mission. Second one is to provide an overview of day-to-day operation, which are observable direction for each leader's decision making. The benefits of operational cost planning is to calculate the expected cost for a particular operation, and the second one is as a basis for limiting costs for each business activities. Okay, the second one is ABC costing method, or we can say ABC method. The benefit of ABC is cost calculation is more precise because of the imposition of cost into each operational activity. The second one is if operation are managed efficiently, cost will be reduced and the products produced will be more competitive. And the last but not least is the ABC method is useful for prioritizing managerial attention and action. Weaknesses from ABC costing method is the first one is using ABC to make short-term decision can sometimes be detrimental in the long run. And the second one is ABC failed to encourage manager to consider modifying work practices to increase business competitiveness. Okay, forecasting. We will use exponential smoothing with trend, and then we will measure the forecast error with MAD, MSE, and MAPE, and we will adjust the forecasting with qualitative method, which is based on board of director judgment. Okay, the third one is methodology. We will preliminary study, then problem identification, then literature review, data collection, data analysis, and conclusion. And okay, next we move into chapter 4, data analysis. The first one is forecasting. As you can see on the screen, there's a monthly trust previous sales there's a trend but no seasonality. Same like trust, limestone has trend but no seasonality. And from Operation Management for Competitive Advantage by Chess and Jacob 2004, a guide to selecting an appropriate forecasting method is with the data that stationary and there is a trend but no seasonality is exponential smoothing with trend. Okay, there's a current trust forecasting method. There's a current limestone forecasting method. And this is the result for exponential smoothing with trend result for trust. And here is the exponential smoothing with trend result for limestone. Okay, for the forecasting error summary, as we can see on the screen, exponential smoothing with trend has the better MAD, MSE, and MAPE score than the current method. Okay, here is the result from exponential smoothing with trend. As you can see on the screen, the result is the same because we can only forecast for one period. And from the qualitative forecasting method, which is from BOD assumption on future sales, the CEO will give 10%, CFO 5%, COO 15%. Okay, this is the result from adjustment, as you can see on the screen. Okay, then the second stage is cost calculation. This is the existing operational cost calculation. Total cost for trust in December 2021 is 317,363,551. And total cost for limestone in December 2001 is 367,547,449. And the total operational cost in December 2021 is 694,611,000. Okay, this is the operational cost calculation with ABC method. We separate the cost based on activities. The first one is unit level activity, and then batch level activity, then facility level activity. Okay, for the unit level activity, we put on the pool 1, and for batch level activity, we put on the pool 2, and for the facility level activity, we put on the pool 3. Okay, this is the pool rate calculation. The total cost pool will be divided by the cost driver, and then the result is the pool rate. So this is the total trust operational cost with ABC method. And this is the total limestone operational cost with ABC method. Okay, this is the cost comparison between existing method with ABC method. The trust product is experiencing overcosting, and for limestone is undercosting, and the total for the two products is experiencing undercosting. Okay, then we calculate the forecasted demand with exponential smoothing with average with ABC method calculation. Here is the total operational cost from ABC method. Okay, then we move into conclusion and recommendation. The conclusion, the first one is the root cause of the problem that CVA Nahal faces with their operational cost planning are lack of appropriate operational cost calculation and forecasting method for their future demand. And the second one is exponential smoothing with trend and qualitative forecasting adjustment is the most appropriate forecasting method for CVA Nahal. And the last but not least is combination of CVA Nahal combination of ABC costing method and exponential smoothing with trend and adjustment with qualitative forecasting method is the most appropriate operational cost planning for CPNACL. And the recommendation is combination of ABC costing method and exponential smoothing with trend and adjustment with qualitative forecasting method is recommended for CPNACL to solve the problem that the company had. And the second one is suggest to the future researchers to conduct further research on forecasting demand since the data is continuously updated throughout the time. And the last but not least is recommendation for the other researcher to implement these methods in their own research as well as those who own businesses to have appropriate operational cost planning. And that's all from me. Thank you. Good day, everyone.